Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 13, Fun with Words. In the last class, we did exercise B, C and D. Today we will do exercise E. All the children who were present during online class have done this exercise. All those who have not done can see my video and complete exercise E. So let's open page number 52. On page number 52, exercise E, make 8 words using the letters in the word breakfast. The words you make should have at least 4 letters each. Now here, children, see this word breakfast. What you have to do? You have to use all the letters given in this word, and with the help of these letters, you have to frame or make smaller words which should be 4 letter or more than 4 letter. You cannot make 3 letter or 2 letter words. Okay. One example is already given for you, bake. So same way we have made different words like fast. You can see here the word fast, then break, then take. Here T-A-K-E, take, then star, S-T-A-R, then beak, B-E-A-K, then safe, S-A-F-E, and the last word fear, F-E-A-R. Did you all check? And those who have not done, please write it down. After you finish writing, let's go to page number 59. Page number 59, exercise A and B were your homework, right? So all of you have done your homework. Let us check the answers. Now here in exercise A, complete the words based on the picture clues given. The pictures are already given and you have to write the name of the picture, the word before the picture. Some of the letters of the words are given. You have to complete the word. So the first word is parachute. So let's write P-A-R-A. C-H is already given. U. T is also given. And E, parachute. Next, look at the picture. It is a guitar, right? So let's write guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. And all those who have already written, check your answers. Number 3, lantern. So let's write the spelling of lantern. Lantern. Next, number 4. Globe. Globe. Number 5. Feather. 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 Number 6. Parrot. Parrot. Number 7. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. The last word, number 8, turnip. Turnip. Next, exercise B on the same page. This was also your homework. Here you have to write the words which rhymes with each word given below. So you have to write rhyming words. Now children, I will tell you the answer, but your answer might differ from mine. That is fine. But see that whichever word you use, it should be correct and it rhymes with the word given here. So let's write alarm, farm. In rhyming word, children, when you speak the word, the starting sound is different, but the ending sound is the same. Like alarm, farm. Next, toys, boys. Bear, pear. Cloud, proud. Car, jar. You can also write far or any other word which rhymes with car. In the previous words also, children, if you write any other rhyming word, it is correct. Next, number 6, wood, hood, could, should. Light, fight, right, bright. Glass, class. Ring, sing, bring. Wing, rose, nose, close. Okay, so the answer may vary. It can be different. Now, next page, page number 60. This exercise we did in the class. If any one of you have missed it, can do it now, seeing the video. If you have missed any word or if your spelling is incorrect, you can see the video and complete your work. Exercise C, solve the crossword. Now children, let me tell you again. Can you see here? Across. Across means all the words which go from left to right. Left to right. Okay. So all across words will come here from left to right. And can you see down? Down means from up to down. Up to down. See, I am pointing to make you understand better. Up to down. up to down. Right? So we will start. First we will do the across words. Number 3. Mithil can dash delicious biscuits. Now how do we cook biscuits, cake, bread? We bake them, right? So the word is bake. And where will you write it? Here, number 3. Can you see here 3 across? So write it bake. Next, zebras have black and white stripes. So where will the white word go? Here, can you see number 5 across? White. Mr. Datta's nephew asked him, dash, may I use your computer? Now, what does a nephew call? Uncle. Okay. So, let's write uncle here. Number 6, across, uncle. Number 7, we wish you a dash Christmas. How we wish Christmas to someone? By saying Merry Christmas. So write here Merry Christmas. Next, number 8. There are dash months in a year. How many months are there in a year? 12. So it will come here. 12. Now we will do downwards. Number 1. The mother dash was playing with her pea chick. Who is the mother of pea chick? Correct. Pea hen. So pea hen, PE is already given. Right here pea hen. Number 2. Synonym of sad. Now children, when we say synonym, it means meaning of a word. Sad means unhappy. And unhappy will come here. Next, number 3, antonym of top. Antonym means opposite. So the opposite of word top means bottom. So bottom will come here. Next, little Julie dash on the floor. Now what does baby, how does a baby walk? The baby crawls, right? So the word is crawl and it will come here. Next, the last word, many more, most. So more will come here, M-O-R-E. We come to the end of this lesson. In the next class, we will start the new chapter. Children, see that you do all the exercises and do neat and tidy work. See you in the next class. Till then, thank you.